Today I'll be showing you how I build up this acrylic underpainting and seal it in preparation for my charcoal drawing. In today's demonstration, I am using a stretched canvas, which I applied 2 additional layers of white gesso and then did the outline of the horse in charcoal. I begin by wetting the canvas. I find that it really makes the acrylic paint move and have a fluid effect onto the surface of the canvas. Today I'm using a fluid acrylic ink in a neutral gray and a beautiful acrylic paint in turquoise pearl. I'm using this catalyst tool and a brush today to apply the acrylic paint and ink. I definitely like where it's going, but there's way too much white canvas showing. So next, let's get rid of a little bit of that white. As I apply the paint here, my brush is really pretty wet. I do want the acrylic paint and ink to have a real fluid effect onto the surface of the canvas. If you're enjoying this video today, I'd love to hear from you. And while you're at it, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow, and it also lets me know that you're having a good time and enjoying my content. Applying the paint like this is really a lot of fun. It's the Jackson Pollock approach, so to speak. But what I do know is after I complete my drawing, I can go back in and soften any of these areas with additional acrylic paint because I'll be sealing my drawing onto the canvas, which I'll show in my next video. I'm using the blow dryer now to actually move the paint around. You can actually move it in the direction you want, which creates a lot of additional energy in the painting. So creating an interesting underpainting in acrylic and then applying your charcoal drawing is a really fun way to make a very unique and energetic, beautiful piece of art. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how I draw my horse. And you can see the horse has begun, but the next video I will show you not only how I complete the horse, but how I seal the charcoal and acrylic to the surface of the canvas. Thanks so much for watching today. Bye!